Hi, today let's make tasty one pot Hariyali chicken rice. This is a very simple, very easy recipe to make, especially if there are bachelors or students who are wanting to make a nice recipe for a lunch or a dinner or a tiffin. I would definitely recommend trying this. Very simple to make. First, in a blender, you need to make a paste for which I'm adding in some mint leaves along with some green chilies, coriander leaves. I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste along with cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Add a little bit of water and then blend it into a smooth paste. That's it. This is the main thing of the gravy for our Hariyali chicken rice. So our paste is ready. I've blended and kept it aside. Now in a pot, add in some oil. Once the oil has been heated up, add in some sliced onions and fry the onion till it's slightly pink. When the onion is beautifully fried, that is when the flavor of all any kind of biryani or pulav is enhanced. So fry the onions really very well till it's light pink. At this stage, once it's turned pink, add in dry red chilies and again fry it really very well. And then add in some ghee here at this stage and then add in curry leaves. This gives a great flavor to our Hariyali chicken rice and give it a good mix. Fry it really very well till the curry leaves turns crispy, and by now our onions will start turning slightly brown. At this stage you can add in cleaned and washed chicken. Here I'm adding boneless chicken. If you want, you can add in chicken with bones as well, completely your choice, and toss it or mix it really very well so that the chicken is very well combined with the onions, curry leaves and the ghee as well. Now I'm adding in pinch of turmeric powder along with some salt to taste. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Once you add in salt, give it a really very good mix, and then once you mix it, add in the green paste which we had blended previously and mix the chicken really very well along with the green masala. Just saute it for 2 minutes so that the raw smell goes and the chicken is beautifully coated with the green masala, so that the rawness of the mint leaves and the corianders all goes. Once it's sauteed for 2 minutes, cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes so that the chicken gets cooked. And it's been 5 minutes. Look at the gravy. It's been beautifully cooked. The oil has been separated as well. What you need to do is at this stage add in chopped capsicum. If you don't want, skip it, but capsicum gives a great flavor to this Hariyali chicken rice. Mix it really very well for a minute. The capsicum doesn't take long to cook. So the oil has separated. The chicken has been like 70 to 80% cooked at this stage, and the capsicum has been cooked as well. By now the chicken is like completely cooked. At this stage, what you can do is you can add in leftover rice, or else you can add in any cooked rice as well. Here I'm adding basmati rice. It's completely your choice. If you want, you can add in jeera rice, sona masuri rice, or any leftover rice. Add it and then squeeze in some lemon juice and add in some coriander leaves as well. It gives a nice taste for this tangy, sweet, tangy and spicy. Once you add the coriander leaves, mix all of this together. So you don't need to give dum like biryani after layering. So mix it really very well with the chicken which we had cooked previously. Toss it really very well. See to that each and every rice grain has been beautifully coated with the gravy, and then cover it with the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Your super simple, super easy Hariyali chicken rice is ready to have. You can just have it like that, or you can have it with any kind of salad or raita. Please note, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.